Guys, today we will do the unboxing and a quick review of the JBL CSUM10 microphone. So this piece I bought it from the Amazon Great Indian Festival. It was available for around 1900 rupees after applying all the discounts. Now this piece, if I read from the product information, it's manufactured in China and it's having an MRP of 12,000 rupees. So I think the manufactured in China tag justifies its low price point, which they made it available in sale. But apart from that one point, it looks like a fairly good deal. So let's get started. So if you see the package, on the front side you will see the branding of the microphone. On the right hand side you will see the key features, specifications and dimensions of the product. On the left hand side you will see the product information, as I already showed you. And just for information, this product is manufactured in October 2021, which means as of today it is 2-year old already. So yeah, let's open this up. It came with 3 seals. As you can see, I've just cut these so that we can start with the unboxing. Let's get started. So if I open this up, it comes with foam packaging, some product information, user guide up top. Then we have a foam cutout, which looks like a really good quality of packaging, to be honest. Comes with a desiccant to absorb any moisture. And here we have our microphone. So here is our product, the JBL CSUM10. It comes with a mounting arrangement, a stand of its own, so it's adjustable along one axis. That's a good point. The build quality looks fairly good. It's a metal body, fully metal body. On the rear side you will see one USB Type-C port, one headphone jack. So here is our product, the JBL CSUM10 condenser microphone. The build quality, to be honest, is really good. It comes with a complete metal body and a fully metal mounting stand, which comes with a knob for adjusting the position and keeping it locked in the position you desire. And it also comes with a USB 2.0 to USB Type-C cable in the package, which also is really good because you need not worry about the connection anymore. They provide the cable in the package. And if you see on the rear side of the microphone, you will see 2 connection points. One is the USB Type-C port and one headphone jack for live feedback of your recording, if you want it, of course. So that is about the build quality of this product. It is really good. If you look at the price point, it's a complete metal body with a metal mounting stand, which you're getting in just about 2000 rupees. So that looks like a fairly good deal. We will see how it performs, of course, when we record our sample audios, but as of now it looks like a really good product. So if we speak about the microphone only, you get a pattern selection button here to select the pattern of the type of audio recording you want. You get 2 patterns here basically. One is the cardioid pattern, which means the microphone will record more about the voice or the sound which comes from the front side, and it will not record the other noise which is there in the background on all the other directions. So that is the cardioid pattern. And the other pattern which is available is the polar pattern. So as the symbol already mentions, it will record equally from all the directions. So these are the 2 patterns which you can select. Then if we turn to the other side, you get to select the intensity or the level of voice which you need to capture. And on the bottom side you have a mute button, a dedicated mute button, which is really good if you are planning to buy this microphone for audio calls and Zoom meetings. And you also get to select the feedback intensity, which is related to the headphone, which is directly connected for live feedback to this microphone. So guys, we have connected the microphone with the system, and To record the audio, I'm going to use an open source audio recorder, which is Audacity. I'm currently downloading the app, so once it's done, let's get started. So I have this microphone on here, and I've selected the Pola pattern currently, which will only record my voice from the front side. And I have the Audacity app set up, so once I start recording, we will see some samples. Let's get started. Hello, check, 1 2 3. Hello, hello, hello. And if I turn the direction, hello, 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 check, 1 2 3, check. It is not recording to the extent from the rear side, as you can see, but if I switch the mode now, if I switch to the other pattern, it will start recording with the same intensity from all the sides. So when I switch back to the original first pattern, it will reduce the recording from other directions. So it is unidirectional currently. It will only record if I switch to the front side. It will start recording again with a bigger intensity. But if I select the other pattern, which is the omnidirectional pattern, it will record from all the directions. So it works. Let us see some samples now. So I'll just record a quick chat about my favorite football team, which is Tottenham Hotspur. Hello everyone, Saurabh here. Let's talk about Tottenham. It has been a long international break, which I don't particularly enjoy, but this weekend, Premier League is back, baby. Out, uh, which I don't particularly enjoy, but this weekend, Premier League is back, baby. Let's check this one out. Shubhanayana Karunamaya Gauri Hara Shri Varada Vinayaka Shubhanayana Karunamaya Gauri Hara Shri Varada Vinayaka Omkar Ganapati Omkar Ganapati Adhipati Sukhapati Chandapati Gandhapati Leena Nirantara Ho Leena Nirantara Ho Sura Niragasa Ho. Now let's check this one out. So guys, according to me, this is a really good entry level microphone, which if available at this price point, you should not miss out upon. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, and Jai Hind.